Hey guys, today we're going to be making a carajillo. A carajillo consists of a couple of main ingredients, which is whiskey or a dark liquor, can also be rum, coffee, and just a sweetener. For this recipe, we're going to be doing a twist of the carajillo. We're going to be using some bourbon, simple syrup that's made with brown sugar, and it's also infused with cinnamon. The link to make this simple syrup is in the description down below. We're also going to be using some dark coffee. This is at room temperature, and just some ice. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to put 3 ounces of dark coffee. 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll do an ounce of bourbon. And then half an ounce of the simple syrup. And then after that, we're just going to shake it. And then pour it straight in the glass with some ice. Salud! Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy!